Hey y'all, I'm super excited to finally show y'all my apartment tour and what I get in Bushwick, Brooklyn for $700, okay, per month. I don't know what my roommates pay, I don't. But I know I pay $700 a month, and I'll show you my room in a moment. But we live in a 2-bedroom. No, we don't. I lied. We live in a 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. So this is one room. I like to call my room sisters. So my room sister stays in this room, and she has her own bathroom. This is another bathroom, and then my other room sister and I, we share this bathroom here. And we share a kitchen, which is lovely, and we share this like amazing living room. But you know, I think we need some art. I think we need something here to, you know, just make the space more alive. Okay, but I'm going to, I guess I'll start off here since we're already here. So I'm gonna start off with the living room. I don't know the square footage and all that. So, I mean, I guess y'all could just estimate it. Like, I don't know, figure it out. This massive floor to almost, well, ceiling to almost floor window, which I love because it brings in a lot of natural light. As you see, it's late here. We have a fire escape here. You can't really see, but I don't know. I just chose to do this video now for whatever reason. I love, this is my like favorite part just about the living room is the fact that we have like this brick here, just because like brick just makes it very rustic, very industrial, and it gives it like this lofty feel. And the white of course opens everything up, and then this window does too. But it just screams Brooklyn, like this right here screams Brooklyn. That was one of the things that I really wanted in an apartment. Actually, like I prayed for white walls and I prayed for brick, and this is just showing you that God would give you that. So, yeah, we have our TV there. We have a bookshelf with books, you know. And this is our kitchen, which is also one of my favorite parts because it's so open. And I feel like a lot of apartments sometimes have that very narrow kitchen-ish thing where it's like super tight. But it's really convenient because all my roommates and I, like all three of us can be in the kitchen, kind of like making something, eating in the fridge or whatever, and no one's like bumping into each other. It's not like we're all crammed together. It's a lot of space to kind of, you know, navigate. And we do have a gas stove. We have some wonderful counter space. I love this like little marble, well I don't think it's marble, but like this tile in the back, I think that also opens it up. It's pretty renovated, I would say too. Honestly I was expecting like I don't know what I was expecting, but yeah. So you know, I think that we're still in the process of kind of like, you know, making this home. One of the things that my roommate said in our interview, yes, we did roommate interviews, but one of the things she said is that she really desires to have like a roommate who makes it feel like home. And that's really important to me because obviously you want it to feel like home where you live. So, you know, I just see some, you know, some artwork there. We're gonna put some artwork there. Of course, we need a coffee table at some point, but for the most part, we're all kind of like working, doing our own thing. We very rarely spend time out here. So it kind of looks like this all the time. But yeah, so this is our kitchen. As you see, we have one stool and we have one table. Well, obviously you wouldn't need more than one table, but we have one stool, one table, because we literally we don't eat out here for real. And I know that's strange, but you know, it's just kind of here for when we do want to sit down and have dinner, but really it's here to hold our groceries, to like put stuff on. But I mean I do sometimes, but I don't know about them. Nobody really eats here, to say the like most. This is our cleaning schedule, which works out really well. So you know, yeah, so that is our beautiful living room, dining area. I'll show you the bathroom before my room. So my roommate and we share, I'll close this, we share this bathroom, which is pretty cool. I mean, we could use some decor, but you know, we got follow your dreams. We have this mirror here. I just found out about this light, y'all. And I like this light because it's kind of like a natural light. It sets the tone. So sometimes, you know, when you're just in your little zone listening to your music in the bathroom or whatever, this is the light I like to use. And ever since I found it, I never use this one anymore. But this one's a brighter light, of course. So yeah, this is our sink, our bathroom. We change our mat towel. We have blue ones too, but we change them out here and there. And yeah, our shower. So we had an issue the other day where, you know, we were experiencing God's overflow. And the owner, he got it together real quick. Like, this man literally came, opened the whole roof up, sealed it right back up, and then he's like, yeah, I'll come back in a few days and paint it. And we're like, wow, you did that in like 45 minutes. But anyway, so that's what's going on there. But not much to really show. Our bathroom, it's not very large, but it does work. And I like the fact that I'm only sharing it with one person instead of like I've had to share a bathroom with 14 people before. So that's another story for another day. So I'm very, very grateful for this. Just, you know, and our schedules really don't collide, so that really works too. And now this is my room, sister's room, and this is my room. So y'all are getting some very raw footage because I am definitely like the perfection queen. And had I known I was doing this video, very spontaneous video, I would have cleaned my room. But this is my window, which I absolutely love, because again, I think just the height, the floor to ceiling, and the openness, it brings so much natural light into my room, especially during the day. I have my desk here, as you see, got a lot of lists going on. Got my Bible, got Vogue, okay, Jesus first, fashion second. And this is just my little space. So calendar. Honestly, I spend a lot of time here. Since moving here, this is where I spend all of my time. This chair, this, you know, look out my window, got my vision board, got my friends, got some books that are there. And then this is like my little beauty area. So I have my hair care, skin care, more hair care. I have my makeup, and then I put my accessories down here. I know this is ghetto, y'all, but I don't have anywhere to put the rest of my accessories yet, so I just rather leave them in these bags so they don't get all over the place. And then got some denim down there, and these are just like my undergarments. Guitar here, I play with it here and there, like when I'm kind of in a mood. Of course, y'all know the infamous rack. We're starting to fill it up with some fall pieces. Then you got Diane, Cheryl Diane right here is her name. And then this is my closet, y'all, which I was super excited about because as you see, I have so much space, and typically New York apartments, like this is really, 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 really large. When you don't typically see this much space in a closet. So I was able to put my books here. I got my steamer, this, just personal stuff. Someone gave me a rose the other day at, during my shoot. These are some just clothes rolled up. Honestly, I typically don't have my clothes there, but it just seemed right to put them there for the moment. And then I also have this shelf here where I can put my shoes. And then this is just like my laundry stuff. And then I have a rack here where my coats, and just a lot of times I put the stuff that I don't wear that much in my closet. So that's that. And then I have my container like with my bags in it. And they kind of slide. And then I got these containers. Oh, let me not flip the camera. But these containers are filled with, okay, so this one is filled with shirts. There's a story behind this, and maybe one day I'll tell it. But yes, that's a blessing. I'll tell it later on in life. And then this is office stuff. So the space I had for like my office at home, I had room for a lot more. So transitioning here, you know, I didn't really have space for all the things I had. So I'm gonna find a space for that. At some point I'll probably get a shelf. And then here is just my fabric. So then I have my shoe rack here, which is really convenient because it's just like, hey, just throw your shoes here. This is my little rug. And then this is a little crazy right now, but you know, it's very important to find like unique ways to store your things rather. So I got these little bins and I just roll up my clothes and keep them here. So these are kind of like my drawers. Okay, malfunction, but you see the point. So yeah, that one. This one is like sports clothes and pajamas, kind of like chill clothes, stuff you just throw on. These are shirts and sweaters or skirts that I don't really wear, but I still feel like they're important to have in my wardrobe. So, you know, that's what those are for. As you see, I wore these today, so we'll put them back where they belong. And my bed is a wreck because I just been doing stuff. So, of course, I wore that jacket today. Those are my jammies. These are my snacks, my ballot, my little sketchbook and fabric swatches, a hat that somebody gave me on a train, and of course, my staple piece. He said to them, go into the world and preach the gospel to all creation, which is Mark 16 and 15, and I just love that. And then my keys, my laptop, and you know, as you see, my bed. So oh man, I'm about to break something. I've changed my room around like twice already since I've been here, but I kind of like it this way because it's just like, I don't know, it's just convenient, very convenient. And then my mirror. So this is, let's get a little back up. This is my beautiful room. Oh, I didn't introduce you to my plants up there, but those are my little babies, and I have another one over there. So yeah, so that is my room. Welcome to MTV Cribs. And again, the living room, this, our bathroom, and later on I'll give y'all a little tour of my neighborhood, but it's dark outside now. Again, this was super spontaneous, but I'm so excited that y'all have joined me. Yeah, if y'all have any questions or whatever, I'll answer them. I already have a ton of New York questions that I have not yet answered, and of course I'll get to them when I get time, because honestly, making videos is tough. You know, this whole video thing is not an easy game. It's not just like, oh, you gotta edit and you know what, but it's, I'm getting better at it. I really am. But yes, so I'm super excited. I thank God for this apartment. I thank him very often for this apartment, because if you know me, you know that I waited a very long time for this. I've been speaking this into existence and believing in God to do this for me. A lot of prayer, a lot of meditation, and bam, this is what I have been blessed with. And I'm in an incredible neighborhood. So just keep your faith. Keep your faith. Keep your faith. God is going to do what he said he would do. Don't make me start preaching in this mirror, because you know when this little fist start going, it's about to go down. But okay, y'all, I'm really about to go. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. Once we get some artwork and some updates and some things like that, I will definitely give y'all a little update. So y'all can see, you know, how we transform this space. But it's beautiful. I'm thankful, and bye-bye.